Move over, Dr. Frankenstein. There's a new evil scientist in the building. Well, not exactly. Right now, there are scientists around the world tweaking the DNA of unsuspecting animals to create a whole new species. Whether it's a cool cosmetic enhancement or an environmentally friendly mutation, these lab creations are here, and this is no conspiracy theory. Number 10. Enviropigs. Whether or not you're a fan of bacon, you have to be pretty impressed with the humble pig. They're intelligent, will eat pretty much anything, and they're a nutritious food source. They've only got one downside, and it's a pretty crappy one. Their waste products contain high concentrations of phosphorus, which can cause toxic algal blooms in waterways. To combat this ongoing issue, Canadian scientists created the Enviropig, or Frankenswine, as people have since nicknamed it. Enviropig has been genetically altered to release 65% less phosphorus through their feces and urine than traditional pigs. Number 9. Fuel-excreting bugs. Sustainable clean energy will always be a problem for planet Earth. One solution may be in the form of genetically modified bacteria. Biofuel startup LS9 was working with altered bacteria that, instead of converting sugars to fatty acids, would churn out diesel fuel instead. The process itself was successful, but the company was never able to scale it up to make it commercially viable, before they were bought out by Renewable Energy Group in 2014. Number 8. See-through frog. Scientists in Japan noticed translucent skin on the offspring of two common brown frogs that were too closely related. This mutation often occurred due to incestuous breeding, and it is fairly rare. They then bred frogs with the same mutation to create an entirely new strain of see-through frogs. They've eliminated the need for classroom dissections. Students can look straight into the frog and see all the organs still working. Number 7. Tumor fish. Apparently, some people think it's cute to own a fish with a giant tumor on its face. These genetically created creatures are an example of science gone mad. These creatures are completely defenseless in the wild, and in captivity for that matter. Their tumor growths make it hard for them to eat and sometimes even breathe. Number 6. Human breast milk producing cows. Chinese researchers have genetically modified an entire herd of dairy cattle to produce what is essentially human breast milk. By inserting a human gene into a specific part of cow DNA, the cow's mammary glands produce a milk that is high in a human-only protein, lysozyme. Not only does it give the milk a distinctly sweet taste, the milk is much more nutritious according to a researcher from the Agricultural University in Beijing. I think the jury's still out on this one. Number 5. Aqua Advantaged salmon. The Aqua Advantaged salmon is a transgenic blend of 3 fish. It's mostly Atlantic salmon, but it also includes a gene from a Chinook salmon and an ocean pout, an ugly-looking eel-like fish found off the coast of New England. The combination allows the salmon to produce growth hormone all year round and grow at incredibly fast speeds. They have been declared safe to eat, and they are environmentally friendly. The Aqua Advantaged salmon is sterile, so it will not displace native fish populations. Number 4. Spider goat. I was more than a little excited by the name spider goat. I imagined a goat swinging from a skyscraper on a spider web. While that's not the case, the real story is still pretty cool. Adding selected spider genes to a goat's DNA created a species of goat that produces milk with high tensile strength silk proteins. These can be used to produce superior bandages, bulletproof armor, and other things that require both lightness and extreme strength. Number 3. Ruppy the glowing transgenic puppy. Korean scientist Byung-Chun Lee cloned a puppy by using a viral transfection of fibroblast cells with a protein. The result was equal parts cute and amazing. Ruppy now glows a fluorescent red in the dark. Now that is an adorable nightlight. Number 2. Human pig chimera. A chimera in this sense is an organism that has sets of genetic information from 2 completely different creatures. Chimeras are created by inserting foreign DNA into a host organism at the embryonic stage of development and allowing it to grow within the host. Scientists injected human DNA into a pig embryo and watched the chimera grow for 28 days before terminating the growth. Aside from the legal and ethical implications, scientists were ready to see the organism come to full term. So creepy. Number 1. Vacanti mouse. The Vacanti mouse taught us that if you ever lose a body part, you can always get it regrown on the back of a mouse. In 1995, Dr. Charles Vacanti wanted to prove that it was possible to transplant fabricated cartilage onto a human body by doing the same thing on a mouse. By seeding cow cartilage cells in a biodegradable ear-shaped mold, Vacanti was able to show off his latest invention, an ear-growing mouse. And that's it for today's video. Do you like some of the crazy, mutated, hybrid creations, or should we just burn it all down? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, or if you learned something new, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. We're also releasing new content all the time, so if you want to be among the first to watch our regularly updated content, please smash that subscribe button on the right. If you're feeling particularly crazy, you can also ring that notification bell as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.